Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very powerful strategy you can use to make a whole lot of money in the market. I've tried this strategy for over a month now and it has been giving me a very good winning rate. I also share it with my students and most of them come right away telling me how powerful this particular strategy is. One of my students also said he's able to turn his $100 into over $2,000 using this particular strategy. So that is the reason why I have to come right here and share this particular strategy with you so you can make money using this particular strategy. This strategy is a very simple one. Even a beginner can make use of this particular strategy and make a whole lot of money with it. So this particular strategy comes with two indicators. So for you to identify your indicator section is for you to come over right here to indicator section. So we're going to be using a MACD. I'm going to be using a Bollinger Band. These are the two indicators we're going to be using for this strategy. So the settings of our Bollinger Band comes with a period of 8. We're going to be making this as 8. So we're going to be using the deviation as 1. Right here on the style level, on the top section right here, we're going to be using a green color, while the middle we're going to be using a yellow color, and right here on the bottom we're going to be using red color. So right here on the background we're going to be using white color and we're going to turn down the opacity just a bit. So when you're done, just click on save. So the settings of our MACD comes with the fast period of 12, the slow period 26, while the signal period as 9. So right here on the style level, you're going to leave the color as a default right here and you're going to be using it on 1 pixel. So when you're done, just click on save. So this particular strategy, I'm actually going to be trading it on 15 seconds candle time frame, and I'm going to be using the Hiking Ashi candlestick. I hope you're getting that right. So I'm going to be using this strategy on 1 minute trade time. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, for you to better understand this, I have to take a trade and explain to you how this particular strategy works. And not only that guys, I do advise you to watch this video to the end to see the step-by-step approach I use using this particular strategy, so you can also follow that particular footprint to make a maximum profit using this particular strategy. So guys, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we're able to find a sell trade opportunity. I'm going to be entering this trade right at this particular level guys. So guys, this is how the strategy works. First and foremost, you must be able to see your candlestick lining up below the middle line of the Bollinger Band. This is the middle line of the Bollinger Band right at this particular level. The yellow one is the middle line of the Bollinger Band. So you must be able to see your strong candlestick lining up below the middle line of your Bollinger Band. Not only that guys, your MACD line must be able to cross each other, giving you a downtrend confirmation. It has to cross each other from the overbought condition, giving you a downward direction. I hope you're getting it right. And also guys, you must be able to see your signal bar printing out right at this particular level, giving you another confirmation that. So guys, as you can see right here, we're actually on a very good profit right at this particular level guys. This is a very powerful strategy guys, on a simple one. So guys, I do advise you to watch this video to the end to really help you to really see certain things I see in the market before I place a trade, so that you can be able to maximize a huge profit using this particular strategy. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found another opportunity right here. We're going to be entering a sell trade right at this particular level guys. Now the reasons why we're entering a sell trade right here is that you can see right at this particular level, our candlesticks are actually lining up below the middle line of the Bollinger Band right here. And not only that, you can see our MACD line right here crossing each other, giving us a downtrend confirmation. I hope you're getting it right. And also our signal bar right here is actually printing out red, giving us another strong indication that this particular market is going on a downward direction. I hope you're getting it right. And also another thing I do advise you to take into consideration is your trend. Just like right here, you can see the market is forming a lower low, a lower high. So we're expecting the market to go as a lower low right at this particular level guys. I hope you're getting that right. So these are the things I actually put into considerations before taking this particular trade. So guys, we have 2 seconds to go on this trade. As you can see, guys, we're actually on a very good profit right at this particular level. So the first thing you still have to see is your trend. You must be able to identify your trend. As you can see, what we have right here, this is an internal trend right here, and it is forming a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, probably going as a lower high, then falling back as a lower low. I hope you're getting it right. So after you've confirmed your trend, the next thing you need to do is also to confirm it with your indicators before you enter a trade. So guys, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we find an opportunity right here for a sell trade. So right here you can see our confirmation have been lined up, just like what we have right here. Our candlestick are actually below the middle line of our Bollinger Band. So right here we can actually enter for a sell trade right here. So right away, the first thing you need to identify is your trend, and if you can see an overall trend, this is actually a downtrend right here. The market is forming a lower low just right here. Another confirmation we also have right here is that you can see a strong candlestick lining up below the middle line of our Bollinger Band, and not only that, you can see our MACD line crossing each other, giving us a downtrend confirmation. I hope you're getting it right. This is a very simple strategy, guys, a very simple one. All you just need to put into consideration is, firstly, you need to identify your trend, and not only that, you must be able to see a strong candlestick lining up below the middle line of the Bollinger Band right here, and also you must be able to ensure you confirm it with your MACD line crossing over, giving us a downtrend confirmation. And don't forget, our signal bar too is also very important. It has to be printing out red, giving you another confirmation to sell in the market. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, we're actually on a very good profit right there. So guys, I'm going to go into the market for my last trade. Guys, when I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we find a very good confirmation right here. As you can see, my indicators actually line up, giving me a strong confirmation to actually place a trade. But I'm actually not placing this trade because I really want to explain certain things to you. So there's what we call a liquidity zone in the market. This is actually a liquidity zone right here. So anytime the market hit the liquidity zone, there are high tendency that the market might actually reverse from there. I hope you're getting it right. So that's the reasons why I'm not taking a trade right here. So anytime you see a zone in the market or your trend getting to a particular zone in the market, do not enter a trade, because that place might actually be a dead zone for you. I hope you're getting it right. So the only time you can actually enter a trade is when the market breaks that particular level. That is when you can actually enter the trade. I hope you're getting it right. Remember, we're dealing with time, and any trade will have to be taken. It has to be a sure trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, for us to enter this trade, I will really have to wait for a more confirmation. I really want, our market to actually break this particular level. When it actually break this particular zone, then that is when we can actually enter the trade. But in a situation where the market does not break that zone or start consolidating, I do advise you to just leave the market and find another currency pair to trade. I hope you're getting it right. So as you can see right here, the market is really not moving. So I do advise you to just leave this kind of trade anytime the market get to a liquidity zone. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here, we're able to find another good opportunity right here. I'm going to be entering a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. As you can see right here, this is a strong candlestick lining up above the middle line of our Bollinger Band right here. Not only that, if you can see right here, our MACD line intersect each other, giving us an uptrend confirmation. Not only that, guys, you can be able to see right here, our signal bar right here is printing out green, giving us a strong indication that this particular market is going on an upward direction. I hope you're getting it right. So not only that, guys, you can see the trend, the internal trend right here. The market is forming a higher high, a higher low. So we expect the market to go as a higher high right at this particular point. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, these are things you need to put into considerations, and I believe if you follow all these particular rules I've actually laid down with this particular strategy, you're going to come victorious and more profitable using this particular strategy. So guys, as you can see right here, we are actually on a very good profit right at this particular level. We take 4 trade and we won all the 4 trade using this particular strategy, guys. So guys, if you don't really understand this particular strategy, I advise you to watch this video over and over again. Practice it on your demo account for a couple of days before you apply it on your real account. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this particular video. If you love this video, do ensure you hit the like button, share this video to your loved ones, and not only that, if you have any question, do ensure you drop it on the comment section. I'm going to attend to it as soon as possible. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do ensure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that when next another video is being dropped on the channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, let's see you again in another video. Keep trading, guys, and bye for now.